Hello students, today we are going to share nomenclature of carboxylic acids and nomenclature of ketones. First of all, we will see here nomenclature of carboxylic acids. First of all, common names and then IUPAC names of carboxylic acids. Common names or common name method. Already we learned the common names and IUPAC names in 11th. According to common name method, common names of carboxylic acids are derived from their sources. For example, the first member of the acid series is HC double bond OOH, or we can write in short like this, HCOOH. The source means it is found in a red ant. Red ant also known as Formica, and from this word Formica, it is a Greek word. From this word Formica, formic acid is the name of this HC double bond OH. In this way, if there are two carbon atoms like this, CH3COOH, now this acid, it is found in vinegar. In Greek language, this vinegar is also known as acetum, and from that word acetum, the name of this acid CH3COOH is given as an acetic acid. Similarly here, if there are three carbon atoms CH3CH2COH, it is also known as phosphate, or it is also known as propion. From that propion, the name of this acid is given, that is propionic acid. Similarly here, the acid here C1, CH3CH2COH. Now this acid, it contains 4 carbon atoms. It is present in butter. It is also known as butyrum, and from this butyrum, it is known as butyric acid. Now here it is N-butyric acid because it is a continuous chain structure. It is a normal chain structure. If there are 4 carbon atoms and there is one methyl group on the second carbon atom, then we have to give the name to that acid, that is isobutyric acid. Similarly here, if there are 5 carbon atoms are there, CH3CH2CH2CH2COOH, it is found in a perennial tree that is known as valerian, and from that word valerian, the name of this acid is given N-valeric acid. N-valeric acid, isovaleric acid, neovaleric acid, that depends upon now nature of this carbon chain. Now here is a normal carbon chain, continuous carbon chain, therefore it is N-valeric acid. If there is one methyl group on second carbon, that is iso. If there are 2 methyl groups on the second carbon atom, that is known as neovaleric acid. Similarly here now, CH3CH2COH, here now there are 6 carbon atoms in this acid. It is present in goat, that is also known as caper, and from that word caper, the name of this acid is given as caproic acid. It is N-caproic acid. It is N-caproic acid. Like this, or in this way, the common names of and acids are derived from their sources. There is a drawback of this method is that we cannot give the common names of carboxylic acids in which contains more than 6 carbon atoms or higher carboxylic acids. We cannot give the common names of that higher carboxylic acids. Then it is regarding about the common name system. Now IUPAC system. Here now, according to IUPAC system, again all that rules, we have to follow all that rules. Suppose the acid is like this. Suppose the acid is like this, CH3 CH CH3 C double bond OH. First of all, again मी इथं काही तुम्हाला हे सगळे रूल्स लिहून दिलेले नाही. ऑलरेडी तुमच्या 11वीच्या नोटबुकमध्ये आहेत ते रूल्स. तुम्हाला फॉलो करायचे. ते रूल्स पुन्हा लिहून काढायच्या पूर्वी तुम्हाला समजत नसेल तर. First of all, select the longest continuous carbon chain containing COH group like this. हा COH group आला पाहिजे चेनमध्ये. Then we have to start the numbering from that COH group. Give the because the COH group is present at one terminal, therefore we have to give the numbering number 1 to this carbon atom. Then it is carbon number 2, it is carbon number 3. In this way, after giving that numbering, इफ एनी अल्किल ग्रुप इज प्रेझेंट ऑन द सिलेक्टेड कार्बन चेन, असा जर एखादा अल्किल ग्रुप असेल तर देन वी हॅव टू डिनोट द पोझिशन ऑफ दॅट अल्किल ग्रुप, denote the position of that alkyl group and write its name. CH3 means methyl, 2-methyl. Finally write the name of parent alkane. There are 3 carbons in the selected carbon chain, but the ending, it is important. We have to replace this E with OIC acid. Therefore propionic acid. इथं मात्र COH ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवण्याची कधीच गरज नसते, कारण याच्यावरती नेहमी नंबर 1 असतो. इट इज प्रेझेंट ॲट 1 टर्मिनल. म्हणून आल्डिहाइड्स आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्समध्ये लक्षात ठेवायचं की देर इज नो नीड टू डिनोट द पोझिशन ऑफ दॅट फंक्शनल ग्रुप लाईक COH अँड aldehyde, that is CHO. But in case of ketones, we have to denote the position of that keto group because that is present in the that is not present at one terminal, that is present in between the chain. Here now it means that from that parent alkane, suppose parent alkane E, we have to replace this E means minus E plus OIC acid. ईच्या ऐवजी OIC acid घ्यायचं, म्हणजे याचं नाव असं होईल alkanoic acid. Therefore according to common name method, according to IUPAC method, कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स आर नोन ॲज अल्कॅनोइक ॲसिड्स. म्हणून अल्कॅनोइक ॲसिड आपण त्याला म्हणतो. इथं लिहिलेलं सगळं मिळतं. IUPAC name of aliphatic carboxylic acid is given from the name of parent alkane. Only the ending E is replaced by OIC acid. म्हणून याचं नाव झालं अल्कॅनोइक ॲसिड. नंबरिंग ऑफ द चेन इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम COH ग्रुप. COH ग्रुपपासून नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करायची. नाव इन केस ऑफ डायकार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड, डाईक ॲसिड इज ॲडेड टू द नेम ऑफ पॅरेंट अल्केन. हां, जर दोन जर COH ग्रुप असतील तर डाईक ॲसिड असा शब्द येईल त्याच्यामध्ये. अलिसायक्लिक कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स, alicyclic carboxylic acid is named by cycloalkane carboxylic acid. Here now we will see one by one here. Suppose the dioic acid means COOH. Now it contains 2 COH groups. Parent alkane, there are 2 carbons, therefore it is ethane. Parent alkane is ethane, therefore we have to add here dioic acid, ethane dioic acid like this. जर 2 COH group असतील तर ethane dioic acid. Then alicyclic means like this. Aliphatic रिंग स्ट्रक्चर असेल किंवा बेंझिन रिंग स्ट्रक्चर असेल तर सबस्टिट्यूटेड कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स आर नेम्ड अलिसायक्लिक कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड आर नेम्ड आहे सायक्लोअल्केन कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. सायक्लोअल्केन कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. Substituted carboxylic acids are named as per the priority of the functional group. So priority of the functional group means, now suppose the aldehyde carboxylic acid is like this, CH double bond O, COOH. Now in 11th book the priority of these functional groups is given. According to that priority order, the priority order of the COH is first than that of aldehyde group. याच्या ऑर्डर अगोदर येते, ज्याच्यावर प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर फर्स्ट येते त्याला नंबर 1 द्यायचा आहे, आणि ज्याची प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर नंतरच्या त्याला नंबर 2 द्यायचा आहे. नंबर 3, 4, 5, 6 लाईक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नाव आणि ज्याची प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर फर्स्ट असते तो बेसिक कंपाऊंड झाला. हा झाला बेन्झोइक ॲसिड. बट ॲट द सेकंड पोझिशन देर इज CHO ग्रुप. CHO ग्रुपला अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप नाही म्हणायचं, इट इज म्हणायचं फॉर्मिल. 2 फॉर्मिल बेन्झोइक ॲसिड. सबस्टिट्यूटेड ॲसिड जर असेल तर ही ऑर्डर आम्हाला महत्त्वाची आहे. हे माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे की प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर कोणाच्या अगोदर येते त्याच्यावर तो बेसिक कंपाऊंड असतो. हिअर आय हॅव गिवन हिअर COH, देअरफॉर इट इज 2 फॉर्मिल. CHO ग्रुपला फॉर्मिल म्हणायचं, देअरफॉर इट इज 2 फॉर्मिल बेन्झोइक ॲसिड. अँड हिअर अनादर एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन हिअर नाव. Here another example is also given here, 3-hydroxy. Here is another example. See here, COH ग्रुप याची प्रायोरिटी अगोदर आहे, OH ग्रुपची नंतर आहे, आणि CH3 ग्रुप हा हे सबस्टिट्यूट आहेत OH आणि CH3 म्हणून याची याला 1, 2, 3, 4 अशी नंबरिंग दिल्यानंतर 3-hydroxy 4-methyl benzoic acid is the IUPAC name of this structure. Now we will see some examples here now. Then some examples of the carboxylic acids are given here now. First of all here HCOH, common name is formic acid. फॉर्मिकापासून तयार झालं. मिथॅनॉइक ॲसिड. नाव सी here HC डबल बॉन्ड OH, एकच कार्बन असण्यामुळेचा पॅरेंट अल्केन झाला मिथेन. ईच्या ऐवजी OIC ॲसिड लिहायचं आहे म्हणून याचं नाव झालं METHANOIC, मिथॅनॉइक ॲसिड. In this way, आणि तीनपेक्षा जर जास्त कारण असतीलच तर तुम्हाला अल्किल ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवणं मस्ट आहे. CH3COH कॉमन नेम इज ॲसिटिक ॲसिड. IUPAC name is parent alkene is ethane, therefore it is ethanoic acid. CH3CH2H propionic acid, and see here CH3CH2H propionic acid is the common name and propionic acid is the IUPAC name. CH3CH2CH2COH, here it is N-butyric acid and IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Here again CH3CH3COH. Now here totally there are 4 carbon atoms, but there is a one methyl group on the second carbon, therefore it is butyric acid but isobutyric acid. And according to IUPAC method we have to give the numbering like this: it is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, it is carbon number 3, therefore there is methyl group on the second carbon atom, therefore 2-methyl propionic acid. Now these are the examples of saturated aliphatic acids. I have taken here some examples of unsaturated aliphatic acids. Unsaturated means they contain carbon double bond. Here now CH2 double bond CHCOH, according to common name method, is known as acrylic acid. And CH2 double bond CHCOOH, it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Parent alkane is propane. Propane आहे parent alkane, म्हणजे तर propionic acid होईल, but there is a double bond in between carbon number 2 and 3, therefore prop, we have to denote the position of double bond before that. Prop 2 in En, that indicates alkene. Alkene means carbon double bond. Propane, prop 2 in, and then prop 2 enoic acid. आपल्याला COH ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवण्याची गरज नाही म्हणून प्रोप टी इन 1-OIC ॲसिड लिहिण्याची गरज नाही. प्रोप 2 इनॉइक ॲसिड, इट इज द I have taken here unsaturated acid. The name of that IUPAC name of that acid is prop 2 enoic acid. Here dicarboxylic acid example घेतलं मी, तर COH oxalic acid is the common name. आणि मी तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल समजून सांगितलं होतं, इट इज इथेनॉइक ॲसिड. सपोज aromatic acid is like this now. Aromatic acid COOH, common name is, it is known as benzoic acid. पाठ झालं पाहिजे आम्हाला हे सगळं. COH. Now it is known as, again IUPAC name is also benzoic acid or benzene. सियर बेंझीन ही रिप्लेस करायचा नाही आहे आणि त्याच्यापुढे शब्द येतो कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिड. कॉमन नेम IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाऊंड इज बेंझीन कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिड. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज बेंझीन कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिड. हिच्याऐवजी OIC ॲसिड असं येत नाही, डायरेक्ट त्या ॲरोमॅटिक स्ट्रक्चरचं नाव लिहायचं आहे आणि पुढं कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिड हा शब्द लिहिण्याची ही एक पद्धत आहे ॲरोमॅटिक कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिडचं IUPAC नेम्समध्ये. सपोज द structure is like this, another structure is there, it is COOH, it is benzoic acid, and there is a, आता प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर याची अगोदर येते म्हणून 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, इट इज बेंझोइक ॲसिड. इट इज कॉमन नेम इज सॅलिसिलिक ॲसिड. सॅलिसिलिक ॲसिड हे कॉमन नेम आहे. here is a, on second position there is hydroxy group and another structure is of benzoic acid, therefore it is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid is the IUPAC name of this structure. Here now another example is given here. There are 2 COH groups attached to this benzene structure. It is known as, according to common name method, is phthalic acid, and according to IUPAC method it is benzene 1,2. It is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, therefore it is benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Another example is again here, I have taken here one more example, that is cyclohexyl. It is cyclohexyl carboxylic acid or it is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, that is the common name, and cyclohexane carboxylic acid, that is IUPAC name. Here lactic acid, see this one, already I have taken this example in optical activity of lactic acid. Lactic acid, it is a common name and IUPAC name is, here is carbon number 1 2 3 2, at the second carbon atom there is a OH group, therefore 2-hydroxy propionic acid. COH ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवण्याची गरज नाही आहे. नाउ इट इज रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ॲसिड्स. नाउ नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कीटोन्स. Before this already we have seen the nomenclature, we have seen the classification of ketones. Simple ketones, both alkyl groups are similar. In mixed ketones, alkyl groups are different. Here now, according to common name system, simple ketones are named as, simple जर कीटोन असेल तर त्याला डायअल्किल कीटोन म्हणा. dialkyl ketone, and if there is a mixed ketone, it is known as alkyl ketone. It means that we have to write the names of that two different groups in alphabetical order. That is important. We have to write the names of an alkyl groups in alphabetical order. Therefore simply we can write like this: dialkyl ketone for simple ketones, and for mixed ketones alkyl ketone. And here you have to remember, we have to write the names of that alkyl groups, different alkyl groups, in alphabetical order. Now according to IUPAC system, again according to IUPAC system, select the longest continuous carbon chain. Already we have seen that nomenclature of ketones in 11th also. Here I will explain that in short now. Here ending E, select the, suppose the structure of the ketone is like this: CH3, C, CH3, H, C double bond O, CH3. Common name is, it is methyl group, it is isopropyl, methyl isopropyl ketone, common name. Now according to IUPAC system, select the longest continuous carbon chain that contains 4 carbon atoms. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore it is parent alkane is butane. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Start the numbering from that end which is nearer from this C double bond group, किंवा ह्या C double bond group असणाऱ्या कार्बनवरती लोएस्ट नंबर आला पाहिजे. If any alkyl group is present on the selected carbon chain, yes, then denote its position 3-methyl. Then 3-methyl, then write the name of parent alkane, 3-methyl butane. E and each ऐवजी E is replaced by ONE, but before that we have to denote the position of keto group. Therefore butane 2-ONE, 2-one. It is important here. In ketones we have to remember that we have to denote the position of this C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. कारण की पोझिशन बदलत राहते. कार्बोनिल ग्रुप हा मिडल ऑफ द चेनला कुठेतरी असतो. इट इज नॉट प्रेझेंट ॲट वन टर्मिनल. Therefore it is necessary to denote the position of this keto group. Therefore in this way here a alkane E is replaced by ONE, means minus E plus ONE. E काढून टाकायचं, त्याच्याऐवजी ONE घ्यायचं आहे. Therefore the IUPAC name of ketones is alkanone. इथे लिहिलेलं आहे alkanone. हे alkane minus E plus ONE, alkanone. हा वर्ड alkanone, it is important. हा लक्षात राहिला की तुम्हाला सगळं लिहिता येईल. Here now when 2 C double bond groups are present, then ending E of alkane is written. जर 2 C double bond group असतील तर मात्र पॅरेंट अल्केनच्या नावामधलं E रिप्लेस करायचं नाही. त्याच्याऐवजी E ॲज इट इज राहील आणि त्याच्याऐवजी डायोन हा शब्द लिहायचा. इज ॲडेड टू द पॅरेंट अल्केन इंडिकेटिंग पोझिशन्स ऑफ किटो ग्रुप. पोझिशनसुद्धा किटो ग्रुपच्या दाखवायच्या. त्याची एक्झाम्पल्स मी खाली घेतलेली ती आपण बघूयात. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हिअर नाव CH3 C double bond O, CH3. It is dimethyl ketone according to common name method, and or it is also known as acetone, and parent IUPAC name is propanone. हे सगळे रूल्स मी इथे स्टार्टमध्ये दिलेत, किंवा तुम्हाला समजले असतील तर 11वीच्या वहीमध्ये सुद्धा आहेत. त्या 11वीच्या वहीमधले रूल्स आहे जे सगळे लिहून काढून ते एक्झाम्पलसुद्धा तुम्ही इथं लिहू शकता. हिअर नाव अनादर एक्झाम्पल इज CH3 C double bond O, CH2 CH, ethyl methyl ketone or butanone. CH3 C double bond O, CH2 CH3. It is methyl, it is N-propyl ketone, and it is pentane 2-one. 5 कार्बन असतील तर तुम्हाला डबल बॉन्डची पोझिशन, C double bond O ची ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवणं मस्ट आहे. हिअर नाव CH3 CHBr C double bond O, CH2 CH3. Here carbonyl group is present here. The carbon atom which is present next to carbonyl, that is denoted by alpha, and here on alpha carbon atom in common name method to denote the position of substituent we have to use the prefixes like alpha, beta, gamma, delta. We cannot use the word numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers are used in IUPAC system. Here now alpha bromo propyl, alpha bromo N-propyl, it is N-propyl group, and another is alpha bromo N-propyl ethyl N-propyl ketone, alpha bromo ethyl N-propyl ketone, and IUPAC name is, we have to use the numbering from this end 1, 2, 3. 2 bromo hexane 3-one, हा कार्बन नंबर 3 येतो. 2 bromo. Similarly here now methyl oxide, here it is unsaturated ketone, CH3 CH3 double bond CHCO CH3. Methyl oxide is the common name. Here 4-methyl, there is a methyl group on the 4th carbon atom. Therefore 4-methyl pent 3-in, double bond is present in between 3rd and 4th carbon atom. We have to denote the position of double bond with lowest number. Therefore 3-in, 2-one, double bond C double bond ची पोझिशन दुसऱ्या 2-one. Here now it is a dione. दोन सी डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुप असणार एक्झाम्पल आहे CH3 सी डबल बॉन्ड CH2 सी डबल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3. Parent alkane is hexane. Here is carbon number 1 2 3 4 5 6. सी डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुप 2 आणि 4 कार्बनवरती, म्हणून हेक्झॅन 2,4 डायोन इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. त्याची कॉमन नेम्स लिहिता येत नाहीत. ड्रॉबॅक आहे तो कॉमन मेथडचा, आपल्याला फारसे कॉमन नेम्स बऱ्याच स्ट्रक्चरची लिहिता सुद्धा येत नाहीत. हिअर नाव CH3 सी डबल बॉन्ड CH2 CH डबल बॉन्ड इट इज 3 ऑक्झो. आता बघा या आल्डिहाइड ग्रुपची पोझिशन प्रायोरिटी अगोदर आहे म्हणून हा आपण झाला बेसिक कंपाऊंड ब्युटॅनल, आणि नंतर किटोची ग्रुप आहे म्हणून हा सी डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुपला किटोन आहे म्हणायचं. 3 ऑक्झो ब्युटॅनल इज द IUPAC name of this compound. Now here there are some examples from this aromatic ketones. Here is C6H5 C double bond CH3. It is known as diphenyl ketone. That is the IUPAC name. These two phenyl groups, therefore diphenyl. And here is common IUPAC name is benzophenone. Here now C6H5 CH3. Common name is, it is a methyl group. It is phenyl group. Methyl phenyl ketone. Or this compound is also known as acetophenone. This name acetophenone is also important. Or it is acetophenone that is accepted by the IUPAC system. Acetophenone. Another example is here. Here this bond it indicates there is a presence of CH3 group. हा बॉन्ड असा काढला म्हणजे तो CH3 ग्रुप आहे. Cl आहे, C डबल बॉन्ड आहे. वी हॅव टू गिव्ह द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन आयटम. कार्बन नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6. हिअर नाव 2 क्लोरो 4 मिथिल सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन. इट इज सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन. आणि याच्यानंतर तुम्ही तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये ट्राय धिस, यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर, हे सगळं जे काही दिलेलं आहे त्याचे बॉक्स दिलेले आहेत. हे बॉक्समध्ये काही IUPAC नेम्स विचारले तर IUPAC नेमची स्ट्रक्चर्स तुम्हाला तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहायची आहेत ट्युटोरियलच्या वहीमध्ये. ओके, विथ दिस वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स अँड कीटोन्स. टुडे स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू.